So, Gabe's on vacation next week, and we're gonna redo this motherfucking bathroom. But this tile, holy shit, is like, it was beneath the linoleum, and it's just like cardboard linoleum or whatever, but it's like breaking in shards, and it's making this so much harder. Still a little bit of it. This is just an update. I think that's the creepiest part. Seeing all that stuff taken off. So funny looking. So, it's a new day. I've got the floor completely cleared, kinda. We're gonna get the toilet out today, I believe. There was insulation back in between those walls, so I'm not gonna put any more, but I replaced all this insulation. And oddly enough, it was something I was kind of worried about, and I figure it actually ended up being the easiest thing to deal with. Pulling the old insulation out was like ripping a zombie apart in the swamp. But good morning. So we finally got our first piece of cement board of it. Small victory, but a victory nonetheless. We're excited now to cut more. And yeah. Good morning. I'm tired. So we did more in other rooms, obviously. But so I left off with doing the concrete board and cutting all of these pieces. And I've emptied out the cabinet behind me. And yeah. So I've got to drill in those pieces. Is this better? I'm gonna drill in those pieces and we'll go from there. Alright, excuse the music. So, I've completely covered, I replaced these metal things. Hello, lighting. Hey, Barbara. So, those metal things were rusted, so I replaced those up to the ceiling. And then I've got all this covered now. And we're about to start on the floor. Yay! Okay, so nothing much has changed, obviously. So we finally started laying the tile, which is exciting. My marble tile, which I really like. And this is not that hard, but it's tedious as all get out. So I'm gonna get something to eat and keep going. So we finished the floors, and I've cleaned up all the, mortar that goes underneath it, and we're about to do the grout. But first, I'm about to do a silicone gasket all around the baseboard of all that jazz before we lay piling, you know? See it? And then it should start. Oh yeah, girl. Me and my trusty kitchen spatula.
So yeah, there's been a lot of skipping around happening, but it's kind of, you know, when I have clean hands to grab my camera, that's when I'm recording. So here's my pretty grounded floor.
Stunning on deeper complexions. I do get a little bit of that going on, which is never cute. Sticky.
So, I haven't been filming for a few days. I apologize. I've been doing a lot of this shit myself lately. I just finished cutting my last tiles and installing my last tiles, and I am like freaking out crazy excited. So, here's the finished product. Now yeah, some of it's janky, just don't look at that. I started taking out some of my little divider thingies, you know, those things, all around down here since this started like, what, 5 days ago now? But we did this like silvery thing, but we haven't grouted yet. And what I'm about to do now, I was gonna do some kind of a tile apparatus like all the way up, and yeah, it looks janky until I put grout in. But anyway, I was gonna do some kind of thing all the way up, but I decided not to, so I'm about to do some joint compound to fill this stuff in. Yep. But yeah, this took a long time because I did it myself. And these rows, it's like you can go 4 tiles before you have to cut one. So I do like maybe 2 rows and have like placers all the way around, and then cut more tile. So I'm gonna set the camera up in here in a little while somewhere. I don't know where. But yesterday I cleaned the walls really good, and they look like a new color almost. And I sanded a lot of this popcorn, so it looks kind of weird right now. But it looks like popped pimples, kind of. But I sand so it's more like flat, so after we paint it, it'll look a lot better. But I want to be able to paint at least like the 2 coats over here today, so I can install the toilet tomorrow. Oh, and if you saw my beautiful floors, where are you going? I filled in holes back here too, and like sanded where these edges were. There was a crack here. And I think I'm going to paint the little square thing in the wall. But I sealed the floors. I'm in love with my floors, and they already have dog hair on them. But I sealed those yesterday. So they waterproofed and grouted. So all the grout here, it'll look a lot better like that up there too. So, that's exciting. So exciting! Look, you see this? This is
me trying to undo a drop cloth, which should be like a plastic bag with no bag feature, and I'm literally getting defeated by this.
But I just feel like it's expensive for what you're getting and the packaging you're getting. I know it's
You out? That's awesome. Alright, Allison, I was trying to fucking tell you. I knew you were gonna go over it anyway, so let's go.
Say it again?
I didn't even go over it anyway, so let's go. Go over what we say. I'm gonna make it go pretty, because I'm gonna make it go faster and like go over what I say. I know.
Put a song on top of it.
I know. Use your teeth, babe. Use your teeth. Alright, now how do you zoom in from here? Oh, yeah, that's what it does. Get on your game, babe. Don't tear it off yet. Still gotta get above it, babe. Don't. We can hook whatever else to that.
Just taking these off.
What? Oh, I thought you like taking the tape off. See what you made me say?
Shit! Oh my god.
Babe, it's just a bug.
No.
Hold on, let me get him.
Oh my
Stop,
God,
stop.
that's massive.
Stop. Where's he at? Look,
No.
stop. Stay. This is recording too. It's awesome. Look, stop. Stop.
No.
There he goes, babe. There he goes.
Where?
Right here in the corner.
Stop
Look.
it.
No, look. He's in the corner. Look. He's a big motherfucker.
Get him.
All right, babe. What's he gonna do to you? Attack you? Allison is so scared of June bugs. I know
I'm not scared. I just don't like them hitting me. Like I don't like the.
What's it gonna do? Like impregnate you
No,
with an
he's
alien?
just
Look.
gonna slap me in the side of the
Oh
head.
my
No.
God! But look, Allison, look, he's so cute. Come here, look. All right, come on. He's out. He's out. He's out, man. Come on. All right, come on. Come on, man. I'm recording. I'm recording. Come on.
I'm trying to find those pliers.
Man, plier these. Man. Scared of some June bugs, man. I'm talking about she can survive the. Hurry up, man. Respect.
I'm back. So I painted the ceiling bright white, this bright white, the frame in that bright white. And now it doesn't look so crazy blue. I'm gonna spray paint that. Gotta replace that. So I've gotta do door frame, paint the door, baseboards, paint the toilet paper holder. We're about to start grouting. And I got the camera on a tripod now so I can sit and record. Yay! So the last minute and a half or so of this video is just gonna be exactly what you see here. The grouting, the making it pretty, and the spot on my face. Just kidding. I really wanted to insert a lot of this footage because, truthfully, this process was so long and so daunting for me, it was the major bummer of this entire bathroom project. But what I gotta say is, looking at the finished product, seeing the way it looks now, and having all the feelings of being proud of myself, of doing all of this, let me kid you not, by myself, there is a really strong sense of reward to take away from this. I do also want to be very clear in saying, had I invested the money and just paid someone to do it, I probably would have been equally as proud of myself. Home projects, they're easy and they're hard. It just really depends on how much effort you're going to put into it for yourself. If you want it to turn out looking great, then take your time, make sure it looks great. Think about everything, think about every aspect of what you're doing. Lastly, watch some YouTube videos. I want to dedicate this moment of silence to the 3 videos I'm sure I watched on this entire bathroom remodel, one of which I watched about 3 or 4 times just to make sure I got it done right. And now I'm not kidding. I think this entire bathroom was built off of YouTube videos, and for that, all we have to do is thank the power of the internet. Am I right? Am I right? So I wanted to share my bathroom experience with you guys so that way you can see no matter where we get our inspiration from, no matter where we get our sense of accomplishment, the knowledge is out there and I just want to share what I got. So please check out the next video. It'll be up in a matter of days once I actually finish this project, and I hope to see you guys there so you can see what my beautiful bathroom looks like. Bye!